and welcome to the 5th episode of Tech This Week. My name is Nashpreet and today I have lots and lots of tech updates for you guys. Now, if this is your first time here, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon. Apart from Tech This Week, we also have reviews, unboxing, auto tech and much more. Alright, let's get to it. Xiaomi has made some big announcements at its August 11th launch event, one of which was the launch of the Redmi K30 Ultra. Now, it gets a design that resembles the Redmi K30 Pro. There is a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen on the device with support for a 120Hz refresh rate. There is a pop-up front-facing camera and an almost bezel-less display. The phone will also get a 64MP primary rear-facing camera. Now, this version of the K30 Ultra is the first in the Redmi K30 series to be paired with a MediaTek SoC. The Redmi K30 Ultra will be powered by the Dimensity 1000 Plus with either 6GB, 8GB or 12GB of RAM, along with up to 512GB of storage on board too. There's also a 4500 mAh battery that is capable of 33-watt fast charging. Realme has confirmed the launch of the C12 and C15 smartphone from the C series in India. Now, both smartphones will be unveiled in India on Monday, August 18th via an online event where the price and availability along with the specifications will also be announced. The Realme C15 is the brand's first smartphone that brings you a 6000 mAh battery under the hood. The battery also supports 16-watt fast charging, which is quite a deal for a budget smartphone. It is powered by the same MediaTek Helio G35 processor. The Realme C12 is going to be a mix of the specifications of C11 and C15. So the smartphone will borrow the 6000 mAh battery from the C15 while it will retain C11's processor MediaTek Helio G35 SoC. Lenovo has announced the launch of its latest Yoga Slim 7i laptop in India for around 80,000 rupees. Now, this new premium laptop is powered by the latest 10th gen Intel Core processor. It is designed for the modern worker who seeks a beautiful yet powerful machine that fits right into their busy lifestyle. Decked with top-notch time-saving and AI-enabled attention-sensing features, the laptop enables users to complete simple tasks within minimal effort. It is powered by the latest 10th generation Intel Core i7 processor, along with a high-capacity 4-cell 60-watt-per-hour battery with Rapid Charge Pro. Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i laptop promises ultra productivity by delivering advanced performance at an incredible speed, allowing users to confidently open multiple apps and run heavy tasks seamlessly. Talking about the availability, the Yoga Slim 7i comes in slate grey color and will go on sale across Lenovo.com and online partner platforms Amazon and Flipkart starting 20th August 2020. Sony has launched its premium wireless earbuds in India, the WF-1000 XM3. Now, the earbuds offer active noise cancellation and are priced at $19,990. They have an overall claimed battery life of 32 hours without noise cancellation and 24 hours with noise cancellation. The earphones also support quick charge, giving users 90 minutes of playback with 10-minute charge. They have a quick attention mode, giving you the ability to talk to and listen to people around you without removing the earphones. And they also have wear detection, which stops the music when you remove the earphones, and many more features. Alright, let's check out what's making news this week. Now, Nokia 5.3 could launch in India this month. As most markets await the release of Nokia 8.3 5G, India could soon be getting the Nokia 5.3. The Nokia 5.3 was listed on Nokia's India website alongside the Nokia 5310. There is no information on what the Nokia 5.3 is going to cost in India, but it better be priced under 15,000 rupees since there is a cutthroat competition in the price bracket. Huawei confirms new ultra-thin MateBook X launch on August 19th. Despite facing difficult business conditions, Huawei has not been shy about launching new products this year. The company has now scheduled a launch event for August 19, where it will launch its new MateBook X notebook PC. Redmi launched its first gaming laptop on August 14th. Redmi has launched the Redmi G gaming laptop on August 14 with a base price of 57,100 rupees. The Redmi G features minimum bezels and will be a premium laptop that is powerful and looks quite modern. It also features some interesting design decisions, including the move to shift the webcam to the bottom bezel. Apple iPhone 12 likely to arrive in India in October. A few days after Apple confirmed that it won't unveil the upcoming iPhone 12 series in September, a new report reveals that the smartphone would arrive in October. Noted tipster John Prosser has listed down the release dates of not only the iPhone 12 but also the speculated iPad and Apple Watch. The Apple iPhone 12 launch event would be held on October 12th, while the pre-orders would take place later that week and the shipping would take place in another week. Microsoft's first foldable Surface Duo likely to arrive in September. Microsoft Surface Duo is launching on September 10th. The ambitious Android-powered dual-screen foldable from Microsoft has been in the kitty for too long, awaiting a release date that will arrive next month. The Surface Duo costs $1,399 in the US and it is up for pre-orders right away. The foldable is not coming to India, at least not right now. Twitter is testing ways to auto-translate tweets to users' preferred language. Google turns Android smartphones into earthquake detectors. Google on Tuesday announced that it has developed a new feature that would alert Android users before an earthquake takes place. The search giant said that the feature is currently being rolled out in California. Google has turned Android smartphones into earthquake detectors because it cannot install a ground network of seismometers in all areas of the world. The search giant said that the feature will turn the Android devices into mini seismometers. MIUI 12 launched in India with visual changes and focus on privacy. It has been a few months since the launch of the MIUI 12 at the global stage, and now the company has finally announced this new software in India. This new version of Xiaomi's operating system for smartphones brings visual changes and several feature upgrades. The MIUI 12 had previously been brought to the country as a beta version. This new MIUI 12 OS is almost identical to the Chinese version of the software, which has been announced with improved UI elements and super wallpapers that have been quite popular with users till now. Moto E7 with 5000 mAh battery and a 10-watt charger gets US FCC and TÜV Rheinland certification. Moto E7 has reportedly got US FCC and TÜV Rheinland certifications that show that the smartphone will come with a 5000 mAh battery and 10-watt charger. The phone has also been spotted on a Spanish online retailer's platform. The alleged Moto E7 has reportedly been certified and spotted on various platforms, including Google Play Console, Android Enterprise Recommended Devices list, and a Canadian carrier's website. Facebook will now show a warning before you share articles about COVID-19. Facebook's latest attempt to help combat the spread of potentially harmful COVID-19 misinformation involves a new notification screen that will provide more context about an article or other link, like when it was first shared and its source. And that's it. Please tell us what you thought of this episode in the comments below, and I will see you guys next week with the latest and updated news from the tech world. Till then, please take care, stay safe, laters.